Well, Sunday, long weekend. We didn't get a great deal. Well, we did achieve a lot yesterday, but it was quite technical and pretty much took us all day just to get our heads around it anyway. But new roof, old roof. We've still got a fair bit to go. Just walk up here. But just getting all the flashings and everything done. The gable end's all back in. Got one sheet on this side, which is there's nothing here anyway, because everything gets pulled off of this side, and it's just one straight run all the way to the end of the house. This side of the house is a bit harder because I've got to work around the water pipe coming up for the air conditioning and the flashing for the swampies, which I forgot to order. So anyway, stay tuned and let's see how we go by tomorrow night. That hardwood, those floor joists are that hard we couldn't nail it. We have to screw them. But anyway, having a screw is always better than being nailed. Sure that trial fit. What's happening? It's hitting something, but I can't get up high enough to see what it is. Oh well, Sunday morning, my birthday. Thanks everybody for the birthday wishes. Hurt my back already carrying bloody plaster. But anyway, today's plaster day at the house. Just because it's my birthday doesn't mean I can stop working. So I only grabbed 15 sheets of plaster. I just want to get this done here. Just that area there. Then I can relax. Kitchen can go in. So anyway, that's my Sunday. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next one. Two things in this world I hate doing. One is grouting plaster, tiles, sorry. And the other is doing this insulation. Anyway, this whole house, every wall, every square inch will be insulated. Get back to it. Okay, most of the insulation is up, the walls, and we'll finish those ceilings off when I'm about ready to plaster. The wires are there ready. This side of the house, which is the kitchen lounge room, those sheets are up. We've had a few problems with trying to get the screws into the hardwood. We're just having an absolute pain in the ass. And the hoist broke, which is just, I can't find those wheels anywhere, so I've replaced a whole lot of those. Just U-bolted that one on for now, and I'll weld them later once we're finished. Sean is just whacking some glue on the ceiling, so we get that done. Oh, and the other problem was, could only get 1350 sheets instead of 1200s. And the first two we've put up, 3, were 1200s, so we'll finish the 1200s down that way, and then we'll start a 1300 down this way. So we haven't got too many joints anyway. Apart from that, the lounge room light switch is ready to go. That's been looped there for the front light. Front lights that I've got up ready to go. 2 new front lights. The kitchen light switch is wired up, ready to go. I've left the loop out because I don't want the rest of the house live. I only want these 2 lights going for now. Or should I say the electrician, good mate of mine. What else can I tell you? Apart from we've got to get this done and get it stopped out. Righto guys, Easter Sunday, been to Bunnings, another $1,000 spent. But anyway, lots of progress on this house yesterday, which was good. So pretty much all this bedroom now is done. Just got to stop it out, put the cornice up. I've got to find the TV plug, which is in the wall there somewhere, which I forgot to measure. Anyway, so today's plan and tomorrow's plan is to finish all that laundry and get most of that bathroom and the hallway done. So I want to get this whole trailer load of plaster and all that sort of shit done, which is a fair bit. Because at my age, I just love doing plaster. Love lifting it. Should have been a bloody truck driver. But anyway, that'll be done. And this wall here in the lounge room can now be all finished off as well. So all ready for, yeah, hopefully cornice, kitchen, paint. See how we go. Well, kitchen's going in. Not quite sure if Salvy's going to be impressed or what. But anyway, I reckon it's a cracker. Love the colour. Anyway, wait till it's finished, see what it looks like. Well, just got back to the house. Kitchen is in. And all I can say, wow. That makes a statement. Look at that colour. My wife is going to hate that. That is grouse. It is exactly what I envisioned. Bloody hell. I got that PowerPoint wrong. Have a look. Just slightly off. Anyway. I'm happy. Righto, all you special people. It's Saturday morning regular video back at the house. But this time it's a little bit special. So what we're going to be doing today is Shawnee's in there making all kinds of noise, the camera around. Pretending to work. So, what started this was the old bathroom, if you go back through the videos and have a squiz. Now, I've just got to finish this little section here, plaster that roof. This will get done this weekend. There will be a little linen closet on the other side of this wall, as well as a double door, bloody whatever you want to call it, for this bedroom. So that's the plan for today. And then the rest of the weekend, plaster. So, hopefully I get that done by the weekend, because I have a week off of work, and that week is to finish the rest of this house on the inside, get it right up to the point where it is ready to paint and do flooring. So stay tuned, I'll be sticking up a shitload of videos. Thanks for watching. Righto guys, replaced the front door with this one. Only cost me $400, $200 for the door furniture, but it was a 920 door and the original door that was in there was an 820, which meant, of course, I had to replace the stud down the side. Now I should have done this before I plastered, because not only do you replace the stud down the side, it needs to run all the way up to the top plate. So I've had to cut that out. Anyway, it is what it is. We've done heaps of work here. So that's the new front door. I think it looks fantastic. There's the new back door to replace this shitty old timber one, which was only an internal door anyway. So that's the next job for today. So by the end of today, all this timber work will be done. Everything will be done, and I will be blowing some paint in this room, hopefully. So, been busy the last week with the week off. Today being Sunday, obviously, it's my last day to actually work on the house, and then I'm back onto it part-time. So we need to get this all done, which shouldn't take too long. We should be able to knock that over, blow that room in, and actually have a beer. Righto, stay tuned. If I can turn the camera off.